Have been looking for powerful tools for you to trade on Deriv.com. I'm gonna be sharing with you a free tool that you can use to make profits on Deriv.com. This tool has live analysis tools. It has everything. It has signals that you guys can use to trade on Deriv.com. Okay, so head on to your browser and go to Deriv360.com. and it will take you to a site that looks like this. Now, Deriv360.com is a free tool, and it has very powerful tools inside that you can use to trade with when trading on Deriv.com. We know that trading on indices is very hard, especially for those people who are just getting started, but there are tools that are coming out every single day, and these tools can help you to maximize on your profit, either you are a beginner or you are just you're a pro or just someone who is getting started with trading on Deriv binary. So the tool that I would recommend is Deriv360.com. It's 100% free, and you can get access by clicking the link in the video description. I've given you guys instructions on how to get access to this tool. The instructions are in the video description, but I'll just go ahead and log in real quick to this site. So just click on the login. After logging into Deriv360, the account will look like this. Now you will need your API token from Deriv.com, and I've created videos on how to create API tokens for Deriv.com that you can use to trade on Deriv360.com. Your API token will act as a connection between your Deriv and your Deriv360 account. Now you can click on this pancake menu here. You can visit your dashboard. You will need to connect your API token. Now, how do you connect your API token? Let me just show you guys in a bit. Go to the settings section and put in your API token where it says API token. You can also go ahead and click on connect with Deriv and log in using your Deriv credentials. That will work. Scroll to the bottom and click on save, and then you can go back to manual trading section, and you can choose any trade type that you want. Okay, you can either choose rise and fall, higher stroke lower, touch and no touch, matches and differs, even and odd, over and under, and the digit prediction. For example, if I go with matches and differs, I scroll to the bottom, you can see that I have a very nice analysis tool, and this analysis tool will always assist me to get high quality trades. You can also click on even and odd, and you guys can see that we have let me just show you guys. We have this analysis tool here already doing analysis on the even and odd markets. You'll need to wait for it to count close to 100 or 50 ticks before you can start using the prediction. I have given a strategy on how to use the even and odd trade types on my Telegram channel, so make sure to click the links in the video description and join my Telegram channel if you need the strategies on how to trade even and odd on Deriv360.com. You guys can see that you already have signals right here, that even here is 8 and odd is 12 with a percentage of 50%. So when you are trading with this tool, you know what to trade, because here we're gonna be trading only on odd because odd has higher probability. That's how powerful this free tool is. Now, enough with the talking. The reason why we are here today because I want to share with you guys another free strategy that you can use, either if you have any AI tool or if you only have Deriv.com account. Now, if you don't have a Deriv.com account, click the link in the video description, create yourself a free Deriv.com account, and follow this strategy that I'm gonna give you today. To get access to this free strategy, make sure to join any of my Telegram channels, because I've given this strategy on my Telegram channels, okay? Now, the first thing you will need to do is to log into your Deriv.com account, or if you don't have one, make sure to create yourself a Deriv.com account. So that's the first step. The second step is to choose to go to the Smart Trader section. Navigate to the Smart Trader section. Now, this is how the Smart Trader section looks like, and then locate the bull index market. Make sure to choose either the bear market index or the bull market index, because you're going to be trading only on these two indices. This strategy works, but it works best on only these two indices. After this, you need to change your trade type to over stroke under. It's very simple. And then you need to set your duration to 3 ticks and at least prediction, either you can set the prediction either to 3 or to 4. So in this tutorial here, I first demonstrated on how to use the strategy with my prediction being 4. Now you guys will see a tool that looks like this on top of your uh, smart trader, on your smart trader section. This is the tool that will tell us when to enter or when not to enter a position. Looking at a full screen of my smart trader section, if I scroll in, you can see that the tool is right there. It's a very small tool at the top of the screen. That's the tool that you're gonna be concentrating on. Now this tool changes colors, and immediately it changes color, it changes color to red. We will put an over trade. Okay, remember we are trading 3 is our prediction. Immediately this thing changes color to red, we're gonna put an over trade. It's that simple and it's that easy. But remember, this is a compounding strategy, so you'll have to use the smallest stake possible and compound your profits to bigger amounts of profits. With this, you'll need to use the martingale strategy, multiplying your stake every single time you lose for you to recover the previous amount of money you used as stake. So testing it, the first trade was a win. Obviously the first trade here was a win, and remember, for this strategy you can either use prediction of 3 or you can use a prediction of 4. Firstly, we tried with a prediction of 3, and then we also demonstrated the strategy with a prediction of 4. Now this here was a prediction of 3. Our first trade was a win, and remember the tick duration was also set to 3. The first trade was a win. We lost the second position. The third position was a win, and we also recovered the loss that we had in this previous run right here. And then the third one was a win. The fourth one was also a win. The fifth one was also a win. So at this point, you guys can see that using 3 as our prediction, the strategy works very well and you are getting wins every single time. If I scroll to the bottom, I change the prediction to 4, and let us see how the strategy performed. After changing the prediction to 4, we lost our first trade. We lost our first position. We used martingale and we lost our second position. But here is where things get interesting, because we won our third position and we also recovered losses that we made in our first and in our second position. Scrolling down, we lost our first position, but we used martingale and we were able to recover the loss, and we made profits even above the amount of money that we lost. Our fifth contract was lost. The sixth was lost. We then made a profit to recover the 2 losses that we made earlier. And scrolling down, you guys can see that we made 100 USD by just showing you guys this strategy. It means that this strategy is very powerful. You can go ahead and try it on your account, on your demo account. If it works for you, you can go ahead and use it on your live account. Scrolling down, you can see that we have some user reviews, and this user here said, "Brother, you are a genius. One, I'm making profit with it. Growing 10 USD won't be hard. One can make 10 USD profits daily with this strategy." Now go to my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel and check out these strategies. And remember, we are also gonna be giving free strategies for Deriv360.com. So make sure you have the access to Deriv360. It's completely free. The instructions on how to get access are in the video section. Let's meet in the next video, and let's meet in the next strategy on my Telegram channel.